I did a lot of research. I did Rogaine. I got my doctor to give me Propecia. Dr. Bolton felt comfortable. The staff was great. I've never had a single issue having the scar. I don't even know it's there, to be honest. You come in, they accommodate you, you run your files, there's no stress. I actually enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to going into my next procedure. I don't see a benefit of getting FUE. I really don't. I wouldn't waste your time researching anymore online. Come in, get the procedure, and move on with your life. Thank you so much for helping me rid years of insecurities. I can never repay you other than actually paying you for the service. Thank you so much.
I started noticing hair loss around 19 years old. When it got really bad, I went for my first transplant surgery. I was about 24, 25, I think. You know, and over the last, I'd say 15 years, it was frustration. The hair system is way more expensive and a lot more maintenance and a lot more frustration. And I went on the website and I looked at the pictures of before and after. You're definitely made to feel welcome. It's simple. It's you're comfortable. Not really any pain during or after. It's a lot more simple than you would think it would be. I would say to Dr. Bolton, thank you for giving my life back.
The first time I noticed hair loss, worried and self-conscious, I was won over by looking at Dr. Bolton's videos. The idea that he said, look, let me just go back there and grab as much hair as I can, and every hair that I grab, I'll put on the top of your head. Made a lot of sense to me. Well, you look great, you know, you look great. They don't know what it is, you know, they can't figure it out. But I know the difference. Oh my God, you really have hair. And people are really stunned. They can't believe it. Like, this really worked. You really have hair. Without hesitation, unequivocal, categorical, absolutely. Dr. Bolton's the only guy I would go to.
Looking at different sites, you know, different doctors. I decided to choose Dr. Bolton. He do his procedure. Was the best choice for me. The doctor and the whole staff is very friendly. That he was the doctor. You know, I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. No pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls, it was answered like this. And you know, the results are truly amazing in one procedure. My expectations were met and beyond.